In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a file public in Google Drive. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to share your files with anyone, enabling easy access without any hassle. Whether you're working on a collaborative project, sharing large files, or simply want to distribute information effortlessly, knowing how to make your Google Drive files public is a crucial skill. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to start by opening Google Drive. You can do this by navigating to drive.google.com in your web browser. Once you're there, log in with your Google account if you're not already signed in. After signing in, you'll be on the home page of Google Drive, where you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. If you're looking for a specific file, you can use the search bar at the top to locate it quickly. Now, once you've found the file or the folder you want to make public, simply right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with several options. In the menu that appears, click on the option that says Get Link. This opens up a new window. Here, you will notice a section labeled Restricted, or it might say that only certain people have access. Our goal is to change this setting to make the file public, so anyone with the link can access it. Now, to make your file or folder accessible to everyone, click on the drop-down menu next to Restricted. From the options available, select anyone with the link. You've just changed the file's access level. At this point, it's important to set the appropriate permission level. You can decide whether others can view, comment, or edit the file. To do this, click on the drop-down menu next to the Viewer label, which will present you with options such as Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Choose the level of access that fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, the link at the top of the window is now ready to be shared. An important tip here, double-check that you've allowed the correct level of access, especially if the file contains sensitive information. Copy the link provided by Google Drive by clicking on the Copy Link button. You're now free to share this link with anyone you want. You can send it through email, chat, or any other platform you use to communicate. And there you have it. You've successfully made a file public in Google Drive. By following these steps, you can share files effortlessly, making collaboration and information sharing simpler. Remember to always double-check the permissions to ensure the right level of access is given. Thank you for following along, and happy sharing.